Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you today. I feel like today's job leads have been way better than normal. I hope this trend continues. As always, the links if you're interested in applying to any of these jobs are always in the YouTube description box below the videos. But I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Ibotta before. Ibotta is a cashback app where you can scan receipts when you go grocery shopping or online shopping or anything like that, and you can get cash back for your purchases. They are hiring a cash application specialist. Now, they are headquartered out of Denver, Colorado, but this says the option with full-time remote for candidates living in the United States. So you do have to live in the United States for this, but they are looking for a cash application specialist to help their business track cash flow efficiently and accurately. You'll coordinate all cash application functions. You'll be posting and applying daily cash receipts to the customer accounts. You'll reconcile all the unapplied cash to the accounts. You'll streamline, automate, and instill the best practices in cash receipt processing. You also might be tasked with researching payment issues and anticipating to prevent further pipeline issues. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years of a cash application experience. They prefer someone who has either an associate's or a bachelor's degree, but they will accept equivalent related education or experience in place of those degrees. They do want somebody who has some technical skills with G Suite, which is a Google Suite, and you need to be able to use Microsoft Excel pretty well, and of course, strong customer service and data entry skills. Now, if you have those skills, this position is paying anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have down in the comments below. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that does give me direct feedback that I am being helpful to at least someone out there. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.